welcome to my YouTube channel. So I thought for my first video, what better way to start off than to get to know a little bit about me and get a quick tour of the house. So I'm Callie, I am 22 years old. I'm a physical therapist assistant and I got my degree at SIU in Carbondale. I have two dogs, which you will probably see throughout all of my videos. That is Zeke, and I'll give you a quick peek at Maya. Say hi, Maya. They are my babies. They are spoiled rotten and I love them to death. Literally ask anybody, they are my main reason for living and they're so spoiled rotten. So don't be surprised if you see a dog pop up every now and then. I am engaged to Austin. We met at SIU and we dated for 2 years and we got engaged last September. We were living in a duplex in Carterville, and then we got lucky and bought a house just about 5-10 minutes away, and it's technically Heron. Our house is in Heron, and then the field behind us is in Carterville, so it's pretty close. So we bought this the week before Thanksgiving in 2019, and we have just been working really hard to make it feel like home. So before we started all of this painting, I never took pictures of how the house used to look. So unfortunately, I don't have a ton of before pictures, but I wanted to document this house as it is right now, which it is March of 2020, and we have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys a quick look into our house and some of the ideas that we wanna do, and then we can just see how well it progresses along the way as we keep updating. So let's go ahead and get started. We might as well get started at the front of the house. So here is a look at our entryway. Here is the entryway to the front of the door. So we have this cute little bench here that I got from my sister-in-law while I was in college, and I kind of just decorated it with a few things I had on hand. All of this is still a work in progress. Props to Austin for getting me that lavender for my birthday. He is so good at picking out decorations that I like. So I haven't worked too much on this yet. We have this cute little area over here, which I am planning to turn into an accent wall one of these days. So that will be a work in progress. Haven't done a ton. There's a coat closet over here, and we have this cute little archway that I love. So there is the entryway to our front door. I know that we aren't the only ones with a room that you just kind of toss stuff into and close the door. So I'm gonna show you ours real quick. We can go ahead and start with that so we can end on a good spot. So I'm gonna show you our third bedroom. It's actually pretty organized right now, so you're in luck. So this bedroom is at the front of the house. It's got my office area, kind of where I do like my blogging and stuff. So this is cute. It's a work in progress, but otherwise the rest of this room is pretty average. It definitely doesn't really have that farmhouse vibe. It's very cluttered, but I mean, I'm here to be real with you guys. You should see that closet right now. It is not pretty. So here's our third bedroom. It's got some random pillows on the futon, a coffee table, and this is where we can watch movies or something because it's the only place we have a DVD player. But I'll end on the good part, which is my office setup. Like I said, this whole room is still a work in progress, and we're hoping one day that we will be able to replace these floors with the same ones that we have in most of the other house. Now I'm going to take you into our second bedroom, which is our guest bedroom. Again, another work in progress. So this was the old bed frame that I already had from when I was in college. I got this super cute table at Kirkland's, but little did I know they only had one. So there's only one nightstand in here. And again, like I said, most of the stuff we have in this house in the bedrooms, really it's stuff that we already had from when we were in college. So not really decorated yet, still a work in progress. Obviously we have a picture of the dogs in here. And Austin's aunt made us this adorable wreath. His side of the family, they are super big University of Michigan fans, so we have a touch of that in our house. So there is the spare bedroom. This is our hallway from the garage. So this is also still a work in progress. I don't have a ton up here, but I was able to hang this cute sign. I absolutely adore this sign. And I got this cute mirror at TJ Maxx for only 15 bucks. So if you ever need a mirror, I would definitely go to TJ Maxx because they have super cute ones. And this gallery wall, I love. I had this exact same setup in our duplex, so I knew I kind of wanted a touch of that here. So I was able to do that. So here is our other hallway, and there is my buddy. Again, another work in progress is our spare bathroom. So it is pretty mixed with the builder grade stuff and then kind of farmhousey stuff. So our plan is to hopefully paint this cabinet top and then paint the cabinets. I don't know what I'll paint them yet. I don't know what color, but that is definitely going to be a task. I might redo the floors, maybe add some floor tiles, who knows, but I will definitely change out that terrible light fixture and frame the mirror. So it has a closet back there, which is very unorganized right now. So here is a view of the guest bedroom. Again, another work in progress. And now for the third bedroom, which is our bedroom, the master. So here is the bed. Still, obviously, this is all a work in progress because our nightstands don't really match our theme, but I love the way they are. So I'm trying to decide if I want to paint them or get new ones. So those are what we have for now. Those are what we had when we moved in, and I just haven't gotten to this room yet. So it's very, very mixed matched and very bare. This is the only part I've decorated, and it is still not perfect. The cool part about this is we both have walk-in closets. Obviously, we have the doggy stairs because this is one of their domains. I don't know why I have that bed in here because they don't even use it. But like I said, another work in progress. So not very cute or decorated. But this is why I am documenting all of this so that hopefully one day we can see a huge change once we finally get around to it. The master bathroom is in our bedroom, another work in progress. Actually, this room was the only one that was completely remodeled whenever we moved in. So they had put in the new vanity, they had framed the mirror. I've kind of got some decorations up. We do have a closet. And if you've been watching my Instagram stories, you'll see that I attempted this shiplap wall. Well, I figured out why it doesn't look good. It's because A, I had the wrong Sharpie. So I'm gonna fix that. And B, my straight edge just didn't work very well. So this, stay tuned, is going to be changed. I have a lot to touch up here. We did get brand new toilets in both of the bathrooms, which is a story that I will tell in just a second because that was a lot of fun. So here is a view of the master bathroom. Again, another work in progress. So real quick about the toilets because this story just drives me insane. Probably 2 days after we moved in, both of our toilets flooded so much that there was a literal ocean in our bathrooms. Like, I think one of us had used the bathroom and we left for about an hour to go to Walmart and grab some stuff. I kid you not, this is the second night we were here. And when we got home, I'll show you, there's a water stain still on the carpet. It's kind of that dark spot there. That is how much water came out of our toilet and flooded our entire bathroom the second night we were here. And get this, we hosted Thanksgiving in our brand new house. No one could use our toilets. See, a couple people had used the toilets. We had my entire family here and probably 2 people used the toilet, maybe 3. And after that, it was no longer able to be used because it flooded. The whole guest bathroom flooded and it was very frustrating. So that is why we got brand new toilets and had to pay a ton of money for a holiday plumber. So that was a fun story from when we first moved into our house. So this is one of our smaller hallways that connects the both entryways. And it has our pantry over here, which is unorganized, so that will come at a later date. But here is the laundry room that we kind of redid. So what we did was we tore out, I think there were 2 shelves here. There was one over here. If you can't tell, we still have a lot of paint to do and places to sand, but it's a work in progress as well. So we stained these shelves and added the brackets. It's really cluttered because I'm still trying to figure out what to do with everything. So here is the laundry room. These units were stacked whenever we moved in, so we unstacked those. And it looks 10 times better than when we first moved in. So if you go to my blog at lifewithcallie.com, then you will be able to see what it looked like before. And it looks so much better now. Obviously, I have to include the newest spot that I have, which is the doggy station. I love it. And yes, I do spoil my fur babies. And see, Zeke's in here. He's going to eat some food because he loves this spot too. So, of course, I had to have a spot just for my babies in the house. Now for my favorite parts of the house. I am so excited to show you this. Welcome to our living room. This is the coziest place in our house. We got this sectional from Ashley Furniture. The babies love it. The pillows came from, I think, a mixture of Target and TJ Maxx, with the blankets coming from IKEA. I went to IKEA for the first time ever last year, and all I got were blankets. So kind of a successful trip. And then this corner is cute, another work in progress, but I got this lamp from Kirkland's. And the TV stand came from Walmart. My vision here is to have a sign above the TV after Austin and I get married, you know, something that says the Whitings or something like that. And then I'll probably add a canvas picture over here in that blank area. I got this adorable bookcase from Target. I currently have my spring decor on it. I still think it's a little bit cluttered, so I got to get some more stuff for it, but I love it. This is probably my favorite room, so I'll try to give you another view. Still some decorating to do, and for sure that corner over there with the two pillows is the comfiest. So if you get a sectional, you got to claim the corner. So here's a view of our living room. Since our house is an open concept, the kitchen, the dining area, and the living room are basically all in one. So here we have our dining area. Seats 6 people. I got the table from Wayfair. And this is also a new addition to the house that I absolutely adore. I actually ended up ordering the wrong picture without knowing it, but it turned out really cute anyway. So this is another work in progress. I'm not in love with it, but it works for now. And obviously I have my Ray done everywhere. So here is the dining room. And here is a look at our kitchen. This is one of my favorite spots as well. It has so much counter space. I love the island. So my vision here, soon, if I can get a few days off of work, because I know it's going to be a huge task, I'm going to paint all of these cabinets white, which I think will make the house just look 10 times better. So I love it because I can be here in the kitchen cooking or something, and then here we go. We can talk to anyone who is in the front room. So our house is perfect for hosting, and typically I host a lot, so our house is perfect for us. And obviously I have to show my Ray Dunn set up, which is so cute. I'm a beginner Ray Dunn collector, and I'm addicted. So I'll try to include everything in here. My dear friend Leah found this spoon one for me, and I'm so excited because I've been looking for that forever. And who knew that just adding a simple basket under your coffee station would make such a difference. This is so cute. So here is the kitchen and the open concept. Again, I love the fact that our house is an open concept. It's great for hosting, and I can watch TV while I'm cooking or baking. So that's a lot of fun. So there is a look at that. So that was just a quick tour of my house. Stay tuned because there is a lot more to come. We're going to keep updating and decorating, and I'm so excited to get started. So don't forget to like and subscribe and find me on my other social media to keep updated. Thank you guys for watching.